Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, uh, last class we had discussed about application of computer, uh, that science, research, and engineering where computer used, how used for research purpose for science, and for engineering students or for engineering, it is to be used. Computers are used to study or do research of various such as the earthquake, effects of earthquake on buildings, then effects of pollution on the weather, then impact of nuclear test. This can be studied without actually carrying out the nuclear test. Then outer space, solar system. These are the different. Then CAD, computer aided designing, with different design it is used. Then for manufacturing in a power plant, that generators generate steam of electricity. Then computers can monitor pressure and temperature at hundreds of critical point through the plant. This is how for manufacturing computer is used. Then for police department also, computer are used to store large database of crimes record of criminals. Then police can gain access information of owner of the car or car license number. These are the various use the police department were doing with the help of computer. And then DNA and fingerprint technique also, they were it helped to find out the blood sample or skin or hair samples for DNA purpose also. Then government computers are also used by government for various things such as census, our calculation of paper capita income. Then that calculation of per capita income, etc. Then computers are used for government collect, process, and store vast amount of information. Railway reservation, airways reservation, income tax processing, etc. is done with the help of computers. Then military, for military purpose, military personnel also make use of computer for crucial tasks like computing the trajectories of missiles, determining the weather conditions for military aircraft to take off, broadcasting information, etc. Like this we are using in military computer. Then music, there are varied range of computer software available for an amateur or professional to use. In order to create your own soundtrack, computer allow to record your voice and instrument one layer at a time. Then mixing and mastering allows you to change the music by adding special effects also. Then nowadays all the children are having interest in DJ also. Then DJ recreate the popular song again, like this. And then theater, film and television. Theater, if you are doing some drama in theater, so the lighting work, the sound effects, all will control with the help of computer. Then television, you are there in television, several serials are there, films are there, they make special effects, they are used by computer added program only. Then cartoon and animations, how the cartoon move, how it only means it do work through computer animations. Then computer is used for find out the weather forecasting, and it means it predicted 2 or 3 days before also. Then robotic means robotic deals with the design, construct, use of robot, how it is used. Then electronic publishing means where the computer perform all necessary produce for publications through. Then classification of computer sorry, computers can be classified based on their size, technology, and purpose. The main types of computers given below: microcomputer. So microcomputer are computer which or microcomputer are computer whose central processing unit is microprocessor. They are single user computer and at least expensive. So student, the computer which you are using in your home, it is known as a microcomputer. For example, it is given here different types of microcomputer. Desktop means your personal computer that you are using in your home for business purpose or to communicate, computer network or word processing, track, play games. These are we are doing in personal computer. Then laptop, you are knowing Laptop or notebook computers are portable. That is, these computers can be carried out. How to run, and it laptop is having a rechargeable batteries also. Then workstation for similar to PCs have more capabilities, environments that required high level of computational abilities. Then embedded computer within the circuitry of appliances such as television, washing machine, wristwatch, remote. These are the embedded computer. Through this, it helps to set the program and then then it works. Then smartphone, tablets, PDA, personal digital assistant are a small handheld computer. Tablets and smartphones operate on mobile operating systems such as Android, iOS, Windows, and Symbian. Then gaming console are also are called used to play video games. So these are the different microcomputers types. Then come to the mainframe computer, mini computer. Mini computer are more powerful than microcomputers in terms of processing power and capabilities. These are mainly multi-user systems where many users simultaneously work on the systems. This process greater storage capacity and large memories as compared to microcomputers. These are capable of handling more input-output devices. These are also called mid-range server. So mini computer means it is a more powerful than microcomputer in terms of processing and power and capability. So it is having a more powerful as compared to microcomputer. Its processing power and capabilities are more powerful. Then here there are mainly multi-user systems where use this for simultaneous work also. Then mainframe computer have more memory, speed, and capabilities than workstation and are usually shared by multiple users through a series or interconnected computer. So mainframe computer, it having a more memory, speed, capabilities, and then other workstation and are used shared by multiple users through series of interconnected computers. So they control business and industrial facilities and are used for scientific research. These are mainly used by utility companies and banks, etc. for main computer. Then supercomputer are most powerful computers that are used to process complex and time consuming calculations. So they are used by the large business, scientific institution and the military. For this purpose, in military we are using the supercomputer because it having a process complex and time consuming calculations. It is having a supercomputer. So here our then one more to know forecasting hurricane. Supercomputers can predict the track of a spiraling hurricane in time to warn people of its approach. The gain machines are fed with thousands of atmospheric measurements to produce pictures showing how the weather will be developed over a next few hours. So changes in a smart part of the atmosphere can have a big effect on the weather. Doing the math fast enough to keep ahead of events can be done only by a supercomputer. So it is used to predict and to warn about the hurricanes that will happen a few hours after a few hours. So it can predict and be, because of that supercomputer we can find the different means measurement to produce and measurement, and it produce the picture also to show whether the natural disaster means this hurricanes, earthquake predictions time will be shown through this supercomputer. So this class, let's recapitulate also you have to learn, and the next class will discuss the exercise, and then after that I will give you the notes. So before this you have to go through all the topic of this chapter And then if you are having any doubt, then ask me. Thank you.